Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to install Google Find My Device on Android phone for easy tracking of your lost phone or your stolen gadget. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone setting. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone setting. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. Then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to Find My Device. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Find My Device app. Click on that. It take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, 500 million plus have successfully downloaded and installed this app on their Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. After a successful install, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. They take you right here. So at this point here, you can now locate your device and access like earbud and tracker tag, even if they are offline. So you can see my device right here, and then keep track of your device, your Android device and connected accessory that are added to Find My Device will appear right here. So and you can click on your device right here. Then you have detail right here. So right here you have device name, then you have your IMEI number and the activated date. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply install Find My Device on Android phone for easy tracking of your gadget, whether you lost your phone or your phone gets stolen. It's as simple as that. By having this app on your Android phone, you can easily track the phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.